All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Welcome back to Brainy Bites tutorial. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across to our YouTube channel, you are welcome. What we do in this our channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, WAEC, NECO, admission, and all your school's latest information. All right. So if you are any of these candidates, it is advised for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right. So the reason why I said you should subscribe and turn on all bell notifications is because we are dropping latest updates about schools on daily basis. All right. And as a school aspirant, you need information. All right. It is very important for you. All right, so that's why I say you should subscribe so you don't miss out with anything. So whenever I drop any update or any information, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so topic of today is just like I told you guys that I promised all my subscribers. I've been promising them in my previous video. I promised them that whatsoever question that I receive from any of my candidates, I will definitely come here and answer the question. All right, so that you guys will equally learn from here. All right, so I have my people that asked me question, all right, that aside from YouTube. So I'll definitely come here to answer the question so that everybody, all my subscribers here, will learn from it. All right, so before I continue for today topic, I want to introduce our platform to you. All right, so we have a WhatsApp community. It is basically for our 2024 UTME registered candidate. However, you yourself can become one of our members. The only way you can become one of our members is to let me know on the comment section that you want to join us. I'll write there to give you my WhatsApp number, then you message me on WhatsApp. Then after getting to know you, I'll definitely have to add you the WhatsApp group. All right, so there in our WhatsApp group you will have access to the ongoing NECO answers free of charge. All right, so and you also have access to so many other things, your school post UTME past questions and answers, they are also free of charge. All right, so not only that, by next year 2025 we are going to launch a program for our 2024 admitted candidates. Of course, you yourself can become one. You are going to gain admission also. So, and that program is basically for, a finance program. It's going to help our candidates that are already in school, because we already know that you yourself, you and I knows that the money your parents will be giving to you for allowance will not be enough, right? So you need where you can be getting some things. All right, so that's why we are working on the program, and by the special grace of God, it will be live on the internet next year. All right, so you can benefit by joining our platform, so that by that time you also benefit with us. Right, so let's get down to today's topic. All right, so um does it mean I won't get admission this year again? I scored 206 and my course is biochemistry. Yeah, somebody asked me this question. I know, and this person that asked me this question has written JAM before. All right, so this is not the first time I've written JAM. You know, when you ask this kind of question, when after the UTM, they just concluded UTME examination, and you see this kind of result, you'll be like, oh my God. So does it mean I will not get admission again this year? Ah, God. So no, that's not the end of everything. All right, so it's not the end of everything. So we have written the just concluded UTME examination, and that's not the only thing that decides your admission. All right, so that's why when I see people when you have a very good JAMB score, at least it makes you to stand out, right, in terms of admission. But in some cases you will have a very high score, and at the end of the day you will not get admission. All right, so that's basically how admission is. All right, so it doesn't mean that because you score 206 and you're not going to get admission. All right, so what we do to remedy to this now is that on the JAM set 18th of July 2024 to sit with the schools, Nigerian universities, VCs. All right, so to decide, it is called policy meeting. All right, so decide the 2024 admission processes national cutoff mark. So it is only when the cutoff mark comes out, then you will now know if you meet your school's post UTME cutoff mark. All right, so if you meet your school's post UTME cutoff mark, so now you need to, since you scored 206 in your JAMB, you definitely need to work hard in your pursuit, hear me, all right? So make you stand out, all right? So you definitely need to work hard, work very, 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 very hard, extremely hard, all right? So you work hard. When you work hard, believe me, and you do well in pursuit, hear me, and you have a very good um um WAEC result or NECO result, believe me, you are going to gain admission. All right, so that's basically how it is. You are going to gain admission because you score 206 in JAM does not limit you from getting admission. All right, so you have all the chances. So all you need to do now is to work hard during your post-UTME examination, and you get it. All right, so you are going to gain admission. All right, believe me, you will gain admission. So this will be ending this video for today, and I believe I have answered this question. All right, so if you have any further thing you want me to do, let me know in the comment section. And if you have been written JAMB over the time and you want us to assist you, to help you in every other ways you feel like we can help you, right? Also, let me know in the comment section. Then I'll be rather to give you my number. Then you message me on WhatsApp. Then you tell me what your challenge is. Any challenge you are passing through concerning your JAMB and your admission, let me know. Right? So I'll give you my WhatsApp number. Will talk to me personally on WhatsApp. All right. So until I see you again in my next video, don't forget I love and cherish each and every one of you guys. All right. Keep winning.